I made stylistic choices to emphasize vocal points. One of my vocal points are the number of student athletes, right here, nearly 50,000. This is my dominant vocal point. It has the boldest font and is centered. It also has a different font than all the rest. The 1 and 3 and the less than 2% that will play professionally will be my subdominant vocal point. They contain bold writing to catch the audience, but not enough to trump the dominant vocal point. So it has the same font, but it isn't too big and it isn't a different one to make it so crazy, but it's bigger than all the other fonts. I use an analingus color scheme of blues and whites to balance it. I have 60% white, 30% blue, and 10% black to balance it out and to heighten it. No more than 2 font styles is used, and it's sized appropriately to create a visual where needed. Text is kept to a minimum, and it's all spelled correctly. That is my infograph. Thank you.